Hi, I'm Code Club and Opik. I'm Ivan Topchu and my teammate is Oliver Stevenson. We built Proompter to help marketers stop guessing and start optimizing their AI prompts, solving the big problem of wasted time, off-brand messaging, and unpredictable content quality.
So let's take a quick tour of Proompter. So we start on the home page, clean, simple, and focused. Nice. Okay, now let's just start now. I'm going to just sign in real quick. And we're down on the dashboard page, and this is where the magic happens. So let's just create a new experiment. And I just want to sort this like a demo. So let's say this is what the email wants it to look like. Take those variants and just run it through a ChatGPT model and get those. So within seconds, I get relevant scores, hallucination checks, and even emotional tone analysis. So when I go down here, we've got some useful graphs here, such as the prompt 2, prompt 1, metric distribution, and it shows this compares the performance and the efficiency of analysis. Then we've got prompt results here, and it shows relevance, emotional, hallucination, CTS score. So these are all rules that are created on Opik for analysis. And what the team prompt test does. So as you can see, we've got different scores and metrics, and it gives us a CT analysis. So it's basically an AI looks at the words terminology used and it considers it for its use case, and then it goes, these incentives make it more emotional, more interaction, and therefore better for marketing. It's all of these, and that's about it. So another feature that we're going to implement is that it actually comes in Telegram. So Proompter notifies basically a bot that alerts the group. So every time someone makes a new prompt, it alerts the group so that everyone else in that marketing team and company will be able to see the best prompt and perhaps use it. So it makes it faster, because instead of emailing it, or on platform, you can quick on Telegram. So it improves the collaboration skills.
After the user runs the prompt evaluation using Proompter, all the data is logged into comments automatically using the SDK. In the experiments tab, we track each run, for example, this first ID, and visualize the average scores and metrics we care about. For example, emotional tone, hallucination, and call to action, and answer relevance. These trend lines give a quick snapshot of how prompt performance shifts across different submissions. Moving on into the datasets tab, we see the corresponding datasets where each prompt and expected output are logged. These datasets help us reproduce and debug our tests accurately. If we dive deeper into the dataset, we will be able to reach the trace view. Here we get full visibility into every single prompt and response pair with real-time scores right next to them. For instance, different score based on the output. This traceability allows teams to test, compare, and improve prompt copy over time, making Proompter reliable and data-driven content teams who care about performance.
So Proompter is built on a full-stack setup. It uses Next.js, Frame-of-Motion, and Three.js for the visuals, and we use it on the back end. We've got Superbase and the Python API to connect to Opik. With the Telegram bot, it just uses an API for that as well, and yeah.